Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about the phone sleep time guys. How can we change in Infinix mobile? Friends, you want to change guys your phone sleep time. So friends, how can you change guys your Infinix phone sleep time? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Infinix phone. Friends, click on guys your phone display and brightness. Then guys click on guys the screen timeout setting and we will change it to the 30 second and friends come back. So how can we use guys this phone sleep time? So guys after 30 second guys your phone will off means your phone will sleep guys. Wait and watch guys. So I am going to pause video guys only for 15 second wait. So friends now continue friends, you can see guys our phone is going to sleep. So it will sleep. So like that guys, we can change guys phone sleep time and we can use it in Infinix phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.